We are pleased to show you the 2019 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tilt steering wheel, cloth seat trim. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.